The Minivision Next 100 is a futuristic concept car that blends innovation, sustainability, and personalization into a sleek design. Tailored to each driver, it offers a fully customizable experience that feels unique. With advanced autonomous driving features, the car allows you to sit back and enjoy the ride, while its shared ownership model promotes eco-friendly driving. The Minivision Next 100 is compact yet luxurious, built from recyclable materials and powered by an electric engine for zero-emission travel. Its key feature is the Sizer, a dynamic control center that adjusts the car's settings to your preferences. Although still a concept with no set price, the Minivision Next 100 promises to transform urban mobility, making driving more enjoyable and sustainable. Smart cities are changing how we live in urban areas by using advanced technologies to improve everyday life. They rely on data and digital tools to make public services better, reduce traffic jams, and support sustainability. These cities use devices connected through the Internet of Things, IoT, AI-powered traffic systems, and smart energy networks to save resources, boost safety, and share real-time updates with people. This technology not only makes cities run more smoothly, but also creates healthier, greener, and more enjoyable places to live. The main goal is to meet the needs of residents while building a stronger sense of community and improving overall well-being. The Panasonic Autonomous Cabin is a futuristic car interior designed for self-driving vehicles. First shown at CES 2017, it offers 4K touch tables at each seat, so passengers can work, relax, or play while traveling. The seats can turn to face each other or join to form a large shared screen. Smart materials adjust lighting and display info, while touch controls let you customize your space. Augmented reality windows show live updates, and a detachable magic ring lets you control settings easily. With features like an air purifier and personal sound system, every ride feels smart. Space Campers has designed a unique add-on that transforms the Tesla Cybertruck into a practical and stylish camper. This camper module is both durable and functional, capable of holding up to 159 kilograms when parked and 122 kilograms while driving. It's perfect for people who enjoy traveling and camping away from the crowds. The module offers a range of optional features to enhance comfort and convenience during outdoor adventures. You can equip it with a shower, interior lighting, a projector for movies, and MIR panels, which may provide extra energy or utilities. For those who want more sleeping space, there's even an option to add a rooftop tent. These choices allow users to customize their camper based on how simple or luxurious they want their trips to be. The base model starts at $6,385, and additional upgrades are available depending on personal needs and budget. Whether you're heading out for a weekend in nature or a longer road journey, this camper setup turns the Cybertruck into a cozy, mobile living space. It's a smart and modern way to combine outdoor freedom with high-tech innovation.